Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify taxable and tax-exempt interest using Vanguard, full guide step-by-step clearly. To verify taxable and tax-exempt interest using Vanguard, start by logging into your Vanguard account. Navigate to the Accounts and Activity tab in the main menu. Select the account for which you want to verify interest information. Once you're on the account page, look for the Transaction Histories section. Click on Transaction History to view your recent activity. In the Transaction History, locate the filter options to customize your view. Set the date range to cover the period you want to analyze. Next, look for the column labeled Interest. This column will indicate any interest earned during the selected period. To differentiate between taxable and tax-exempt interest, look for additional notes or codes. Often, tax-exempt interest will be labeled explicitly or indicated through special color coding. If needed, download your transaction history for a detailed look. You can usually find a download button in the Transaction History section. Choose your preferred file format for download. Open the downloaded file and locate the Interest section. Here, you'll find the breakdown of both taxable and tax-exempt interest. If you require further clarification, visit the Vanguard Help Center. The Help Center provides comprehensive information regarding interest reporting. You may also contact Vanguard customer support for personalized assistance. Have your account details ready when reaching out for quicker service. This process will help you accurately verify your interest income for tax purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.